Good morning, students. Last class we have discussed, or yet rather we have started with the topic chapter number 1 from your EVS book, that is modes of existence. There we have discussed about the two modes of existence, gatherers and hunters. That is one mode of society which used to exist during the Stone Age. Then, like the pastoralism came into existence, who believed into the domestication of animals. After that, the agriculturist or the agricultural mode of society, was existing, rather it is existing by today also. Who believes in the domestication of plants and animals? That means who believed in cultivation. And as because they started believing in cultivation, so they started have a settled life, and that nomadic form of or the mode of lifestyle that been had been get rid of when the people are started settled down in a one place because of the reason of the cultivation. So in this, after the agricultural mode of existence, now we are all in a industrial mode of society where industrial revolution, we will talk about the impact of industrialist or the impact of industrial revolution on the environment in this topic. So industrial revolution has taken place in 19th century, and we all have seen due to this industrialization, the nature has been exploited by the human being to the extreme. Because in the agricultural or in the pastoralism or in the hunter and gatherers or the hunter and gathering mode of a society, people used to believe that the natures, like the is going to be take care of themselves. But here the whole concept of the nature and the man relationship has been changed. Now the industrialists wanted to dominate the nature. So due to this domination of human being on nature creates a lot of disturbance into the ecosystem. That means how this disturbs the ecosystem, because we believe in excessive fuel generation of electricity, use of modern technology over the nature to tame the nature. That is why we all industry, like during this era of society, we caused a lot of harm, or we caused the harm to the ecosystem. Now, what is a social organization during this mode of existence? During this mode of existence, the organization was much more complex because people believed in urbanization. So as they believed, or rather they moved for from rural areas to urban areas. So as they moved to from rural areas to the urban areas to have a better life, to have a more modern equipments, introduction of various gadgets which you have seen, kinship lost its importance, nuclear families become very common. So that family and that big family, like the concept is completely abolished during this industrial mode of existence. Social organization is dictated by class, caste, occupation, and political power. Men nature relationship, men started using the nature to fulfill their demands because we started taming the nature. And there is the root cause of all the problems. Scale of catchment, the industrial community has developed the ideas to utilize the resource to the extreme and procure them. And process is to have the maximum economic benefit because we wanted to come into the power. So as we wanted to come into the power by accessing all the benefits from the nature, so we'll all depend upon the both renewable and non-renewable resources. But while using the resource, we have to, we are to be planned in such a way that should be brings a sustainable development. Otherwise, that will cause harm to the human being only. So due to this industrial mode of existence or due to this industrial lifestyle causes a more impact on the environment. Agricultural land and forests have been cleared out to make way for industry and for urban development. As a result of which the following events happen. That causes destruction of the ecosystem, habitat is being lost by many organisms, that causes the extinction, that means that is loss of biodiversity. Climatic changes has been seen, causes the pollution of environment, changing the beauty of the landscape due to the mining or over mining rather, causes that acid rain, reduction in the forest cover because of the forest has been cut due to for the development process, melting of glaciers due to which the global warming is seen. So India is, in a conclusion part, we can say like that. India is a fast developing country. Whatever be the development, industrialization, urbanization, but along with, we do not forget that India is a agricultural country. So the thing is that, like the concept is like that industrial mode of existence will be there for the further development, but we have to take it into consideration that agricultural mode of existence and the pastoralism mode of existence should go hand to hand along with the industrial mode of existence. So that's all for today's video class. We will discuss in detail in the live class. Thank you.